Okay, so pancake day coming up. So this is my low carb pancake recipe, 0 carbs. So essentially it's a bit of a treat. So it's just almost egg whites and whey protein. Very, very simple. Literally just need to mix 300 grams of egg whites, around 1 scoop of whey protein, give it a good mix, and you pan fry it, and then that's pretty much it. So I'll give you a quick demonstration. Okay, so vital trick when you're about to put the pancake in the pan is use loads of non-stick oil. I use spray one, so I've got coconut oil there, which is the best one in my opinion, particularly with pancakes. If you're doing meats, you can also use avocado oil, but obviously with pancakes that'd be really weird, so coconut oil it is. Okay, so 0 carb pancakes done. So we've got 60 grams of protein there, 0 grams of carbs, 0 grams of fat, pretty much 0 grams. To add some more sweetness to, if you want to, you can sprinkle on Stevia. You can also add lime or lemon. And I'm also a fan of using Walden Farm syrup. Quite like the blueberry one again, that's 0 calories. So if you add that on there again, it gives a bit more flavour, a bit of a sweeter taste. If you need something to kill the cravings on pancake day, that's 0 carb.